Dude, Mr. Bean's like a really bad 9-year-old kid. It's like, okay, so this video is called "What Are Dental Injections Like?" This is the funniest thing, the white knuckler. For those of you that are super worried about dental injections, if you ever stubbed your toe as like a 10-year-old, right, that could be comparable to perhaps getting an injection. And at the end of the day, realize that it lasts about 15 seconds, not even. And we use topical anesthetic at the practice. Every dentist that actually cares about your pain will use that. A lot of people talk about anxiety and they don't realize that it has the same physical symptoms as excitement. Fake it till you make it, right? Even laugh through the situation if you can. Try to control your brain when these things are going on. Yeah, someone actually did bite me once, but they didn't do it on provocation of the actual injection. So the bedside manner that a dentist or a doctor gives you, as all of you guys know, that is going to mitigate a lot of the sensations or the physical assumptions that are going to happen. So if you come to Franklin.DentalCare and Dentures, I'll try to give you the best possible experience you ever had.
There are some things you shouldn't do. Apparently, there is a new trend on TikTok with people using Mr. Clean magic erasers on their teeth. Don't do it.
Yeah, don't do it. I mean, it's pretty... If you want to use a dish sponge to clean your teeth, you're missing the point. So here's the thing. When it comes to brushing technique, and I've started a nonprofit literally to educate people in like first, second, third, all the way throughout their life about this. If you brush your teeth in circles, you are not brushing your teeth properly. If you brush your teeth like this, you are not brushing your teeth properly. The bristles of the brush head are designed to actually go into your gum line area. That's where the bacteria like to hang out, and those are the things that you're trying to basically reduce and eliminate. Don't use the Mr. Clean magic eraser. Use a toothbrush and use it properly. We have videos also on the channel about how to use toothbrushes properly, so go and check those out. Oh yeah, dude, Mr. Bean used to be my shit. At the dentist, funny clip, Mr. Bean official. So right off the bat, this is not how a dental appointment goes, guys, right? If the dentist is a crazy person, they don't say a damn word to their patient. I've had people say to me like, dude, I go to doctors, the only doctor that I've gone to that actually causes me anxiety is a dentist. If a dentist doesn't know that, they're probably pretty shitty at their job. So first and foremost, if they're gonna pull something up, hopefully they tell you something about it, an x-ray, and try to explain to you what they're seeing. And they're not gonna stick a random thing in your mouth just to suction out the saliva that you have there already. Most of the time, the reason that I use the saliva ejector right off the bat is after an injection, anesthetic can taste quite bad. And also these x-rays, I don't know what the hell is going on with these x-rays. That's hilarious. That doesn't even look like teeth. Mr. Bean's got some messed up teeth, dude. The other thing is, when it comes to pain, we're going to have to figure out what's hurting you, okay? So yes, the whole poking and provoking is touch where it hurts. You kind of have to do that to some degree. They're not really gonna even have to provoke or touch a tooth. They can basically figure out what's going on based on the x-rays and the conversations they have with you. Yo, Mr. Bean, man. I used to watch this guy when I was in like 4th or 5th grade, like all the time. This guy's hilarious. The other thing is, so you can go one of two approaches with a dentist, right? Either the dentist is gonna be like, you're fine, you're a grown adult, and they'll just show you the needle. Or most dentists have a grace and they realize that showing someone something that is gonna hurt them is not a great idea. So you'll see the stiff arm, you know, and they'll be putting the needle behind their back, and then they'll give you an injection. What is the John Wick quote? The way you do something is the way they do everything. Dude, Mr. Bean's like a really bad 9-year-old kid. It's like... Oh no. I don't think local anesthetic would do that to your leg, but yeah, that's just, that never happens. That's a Mr. Bean moment, that's for sure. And you know, they really demonize dentists in like a lot of things. Such an easy thing to demonize, and I completely understand. Like, don't believe what you saw in those movies when you were younger. Like, they're trying to depict a very specific scenario of going to the dentist. This is Dr. Rai from Franklin Dental. Thanks for watching. YouTube thinks you'll like this.